Alright, so class, today I'm going to show you how to use this paper cutter, if you're not familiar. This paper cutter is used in class just to cut one piece of paper at a time. Has a lock mechanism down here at the bottom, so you'll need to pull this up to release it. And then you may put in a piece of paper against this bottom line if you want the cut to be straight. And you'll slide it in until you can see, when you do this, you'll see on this side there's a line right here where the cutter goes. Okay, and you'll push this down and then pull this cutter, and your piece of paper will be cut off for you. Okay, just do one cut at a time. All right, it doesn't matter whether the cutter's down here or up here. You can push it either way. It will cut either direction. When you're done, unlock and then pull out your piece of paper, or push it through further if you wanted to cut more pieces. Okay? One person at a time using the cutter. Take turns. And that's it for the cutter. Now, I've got this super cool thing. This is a texture roller. This little thing does some cool things to paper. So we're going to take one of those pieces of paper we had before, and I'm going to open the handle like this. It's a little sticky. Open the handle, and between these two rollers, I'm going to stick a piece of paper in there, and then I'm going to close. I'm going to get that in there a little better, and I'm going to close this handle back down. Okay, and then I'm going to twist. Over here there's a handle that you twist. I'm going to twist that handle, and when I do that, this paper is going to go all the way through, come out the other side, and when it comes out, it will be the texture that was on those rollers. So this one is waves. So now you have wavy paper that you can cut up, use for collage, use in your artwork. That's it for today. Well, I thought that was it. The last thing I have to show you are these glue jars. These are jars. There's a lid right here. Down here is the glue. And instead of using the glue, those squeezy glue things that get glue everywhere, we're going to try these. So to use it, you twist off the top. You want to have this sitting down on something so you don't spill. Pull this up, and it's going to have a whole bunch of glue here. You want to scrape off the side. Okay, and there's a brush that has the glue on it. So I'm going to move this over. I'm going to put some glue on the back of my paper. Okay. That's a big paper, so I'm going to cut it a little smaller here. I want to be careful not to cut where there's already glue, so I don't get the scissors all gross. So I'm going to brush my glue on where I want it to go. Okay. And then, see, I can just sit that cap straight up like that so I don't get glue on anything that I don't want it on. And then I can use this paper and just press it down with my fingers and stick it wherever I want it. When you're done with your glue, you'll put the lid back on, screw it down, and put it back in the container in the box where it goes. Here's the container where those are kept in your table box. Thanks, everybody.